Let go. Right here. Let go pressure cooker. Pressure cooker for the boiler.
Stop.
Welcome to the Startup Open House 2013. What do you think? The projects that the kids have been working on are amazing. And they wouldn't work if it weren't for the parents who are willing to support this adventure and all the things that we do here. So the very first thing I'd like to do is have a big round of applause and welcome to the parents and the kids who have been doing all this stuff here. Without your support, they wouldn't be able to do what they do, and you wouldn't be able to do what we do. So first, let's give a big round of applause to all the parents.
Official Lego pneumatic engine. Don't worry, it'll blow up. This is pressure release and engine
When
running.
we started out in 1990, was it 5?
And this is our official Lego engine. We have the valve for the engine to take the gear and the regular crankshaft, our flywheel. We have our two our pressure to our gauge.